Hello, my sweet darling sugar boo. Oh. Oh, you want me to call you Pookie? Okay. Hello, Pookie. Sorry if I seem a bit groggy. I had a really rough day at the circus. Thanks for asking, but I don't really have the energy to tell you about it now. What's that smell? Is that... I knew it. You made paschetti. That's like literally my favorite meal ever. Oh, you know me so well, sugar booger. Oh, I love you so much. Wow, this looks really good. Great work. All those cooking classes you've been taking have really been paying off, huh? It's a little cold. That's okay. I'll just stick it in the microwave for a bit. Here, you find us something to watch, okay? Yeah, like the Barbie movie or something. Okay, let me just... Oh, bathing. You really want to know what happened? Okay, fine, I'll tell you. My boss is being kind of a jerk to me today, which just made everything so much harder. But it's worth it to know that when I come home, I get to see the goodest, bestest bae in the whole world. I don't know how I could get up every morning and do the work I do without you, you know? No, really, you truly brighten up my day. I can't believe that we were roommates first and then I would just be lost without you. Oh shit! What's happening? Wait, I left my fork inside the bowl. Oh shit! Oh, Jesus Christ, everything is on fire! Oh, the microwave fucking exploded! Oh God, why do we live in an apartment made of wood? Oh, oh, I'm still alive. I really wanted to try the paschetti though. It's just okay. Yeah, it's like not fresh, so it's not as good, but like it's better warm. Yeah. Oh man, I guess it's time to die now. It's too hot. I have to go. I'm dying now. Okay, bye!